Hello person watching this video, I'm the Hooded Hedgehog, and welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. I am just a random girl on the internet who likes playing Animal Jam. And yes, this fox is my official main look. So anyways, how am I gonna say this? It has been a long time since I've recorded, and I'm very sorry about that. I'm just a lazy sweet potato. I don't know what I did, but okay. And I have just had a joyful reunion with my friend Mr. Foodman. You know that crying video where I was like, "I'm sorry," but it's whatever. And he says he can grant wishes. My wish is to have a and also I got membership for 6 months, but 175 days remaining. I'm sure I'll be good. I'm sure I'll be good by then. I don't know what's gonna happen. Nothing's gonna happen probably, but to make up for me calling him Okada, which means stupid. I'm gonna gift him this nice little thing. How about this Phoenix armor? I might live stream. I don't know. Live stream. I'm sorry, I'm really uncomfortable right now. I'm not uncomfortable, just. My wish is to be a male because AJ blocked it. Oh my god, that's sad. That's sad. Can't send messages to your bae or whatever. I'm still mad. She went poof. I don't know what I'm gonna be doing. Anyways, Happy New Year. Happy 2018. I'm sorry, I just had to think about that. So, anyways, yes, I will try to be recording for more. Oh my gosh, I need to do. Anyways, if you couldn't understand my language right there, I will be trying to record more often. Possibly even take my laptop to my mom's house. So, yeah. Can I offer for your black hoodie? Okay, I'm sorry, I'm not talking at all, and it's super awkward. Anyways, that is all I have for you guys today. And did you know that generosity makes you a happier person in general? So, if you enjoyed my content, please hit that red oh my gosh, yes. Anyways, if you enjoyed my content, please hit that red subscribe button. And if you enjoyed it even more, hit that like button. And I will see you in my next video. Toodles!